Alright, I'm gonna ask you a question. If you're shooting photos and video of a house, which one do you start with?
Always start with video.
Why?
Because when you shoot photos, you can turn the lights off as you leave the room.
Boom.
Ball knowledge.
He's got that ball knowledge, whatever that means. Alright, we're pulling up to our first shoot today. We've got 2 shoots. Isaac is gonna do everything. Photos, drone, video. But our goal for today is to teach you photography, doing real estate, vacation rentals, whatever it is, using the camera and the drone. So Isaac's gonna show you how it's done.
It's boot camp today.
It's boot camp.
It's boot camp today.
Tip number 1, how to find parking.
Park in the trees. Not actually, but.
That's the only thing about these homes, there's always like nowhere to park, so you kind of just make your own parking spot or park at a house that's vacant. It literally says no parking on the street. We're parking here anyways. Nobody is here right now. It should be okay. Oh, did we bring a tripod?
I did.
Oh my gosh, dude, I almost forgot a tripod. It's in Grace's car.
I almost didn't bring it this morning, but I was like, the only thing that you would ever forget is the tripod, so I was like, I got
Dude,
this.
you just saved the day. Holy cow.
Nice.
Guys, I literally would have forgot the tripod, so always remember your tripod. Bring everything with you just in case.
Let's go.
Nice, dude. We're on the search for this house because there's no house numbers. The numbers were actually hidden. It's like right
Behind the tree.
behind the tree, which is very helpful. Okay, and then also pulling up our door code. I always put it on our site on Aereo, so you can scroll all the way down. I've got it right there. One thing I always say is always check the chairs and pillows, make sure everything is kind of aligned, because these people can get picky. So you want to make sure all the chairs are straight, make sure there's no pillows knocked over, as I'm just running into a chair.
Blinds and curtains too.
What about
Make sure
it?
the blinds are all like open and that all the curtains look the same. Like you don't have one closed and one open or one like halfway weird.
Sure.
That's good.
Ball knowledge.
Knowledge.
But yeah, because if a pillow's knocked over, they're going to have us come reshoot this entire room, and we don't want to do that. That would suck. Quick tip, always shoot the laundry room, no matter what, vacation rental, real estate, they're going to ask for it. It's usually hidden somewhere in the house, like this one is hidden behind these random doors in the hallway, and probably would have forgot it if we didn't check, so always make sure to get that.
Okay. Another tip, when you finish setting up your dual-dads, always take your equipment and put it in like a small closet or like a tiny bathroom. One of the two, just so it's not in the way. So like, this would be a good spot. It's like, get in the closet and then you can come back for it when you're ready. But that way it's out of your way. And it's not in the frame of the picture or video.
Make sure to have your caffeine for the day.
And stay hydrated.
Photos, it doesn't matter because we Photoshop, but if you're doing video, always open the shower door in case your reflection's in it. So like this shot, but you can probably only shoot it from right here and you'd be in the reflection. So if you kind of have it open, maybe it'll help a little bit.
Oh, wait, could they probably see it?
Like,
Yeah, it would be.
it's hard to see on the GoPro, but
Can't really, but in the real world, you can see yourself in the mirror.
yeah, the real world.
Come here, chat. We're gonna call him chat. So, when you're filming into a bathroom, you're gonna see yourself in the mirror. So you either have to like get a different angle or you have to go lower.
So he's filming video, getting on his knees, so
Dang,
he's,
dude.
oh.
Like at ground level, right?
You're gonna have to.
I mean,
That's all you can do.
yeah, we ain't got no choice.
Shots like this for video, it's gonna be so short and quick because you're literally on your knees and it's hard to really get a shot, but.
Well, or here, they come here for this part.
Oh yeah, you can at least get the shower.
Dude, that's dangerous. Look at this. Hey, come, bring me closer. This glass door opens right into a shot put. Look at this. It literally hits.
Some kid's gonna slam that.
So we could film it from this way too. So
Oh,
a lot of
that's
times when
true.
you're stuck in the, you can go from in the shower or
On your knees. If you're ever shooting vacation rentals and they have bikes out front, always get a close-up of them because that's part of the vacation rental package. If they're selling the house, then we normally don't. But if it's a vacation rental, then we will get a close-up of the bikes because those are included.
Nice. So we have another tip for you. When you go to shoot photos with your tripod, well, first thing, I don't know if they really need to know this. Leave this top one tight and just move the bottom two. Then I'll get it at the right height. But the most important thing, this is what we're here to talk about, is these little feet on the ends. For absolutely no reason at all, they come off. Don't lose them. So
Just make sure they're really tight every
yeah,
time you
like-
set up.
Like grit your teeth, you tighten them so hard. No, actually don't do that.
Because if you lose those, the whole tripod's gonna be wonky.
Yeah, no, I won't sit right. So
Yeah.
I almost lost one at a shoot actually, but luckily I found it in the driveway before I left. So
Don't do that.
yeah, like, that's a good tip. Before you leave the house, check the bottom of the tripod.
True.
In the kitchens, raise it up because you don't want to get the bottom side of the cabinets.
Like
It looks ugly.
that shot kind of looks ugly, but if you come up here and you're kind of like level with it, looks a lot better for sure.
That is, I don't know if you really need to, but like sometimes in the front, I'll bring it up a little bit just for that like front picture of the house. I don't know.
It just looks better more straight on, like a little bit higher rather than like looking up at the house. All right, he's setting up to shoot the first room. He's got it kind of straight.
Check the green lines.
Yep, so we always have our, what do you call it, our level on. So everything is nice and straight, looking good. And we always make sure that the wall is not in the shot, so he's just enough where the entire bathroom is in the shot. The next room, we're trying to get pretty much as wide as we can. This room is really small. So we're kind of just getting full shot of this room here. We've got it on 12 millimeters, which is the widest it'll go. And with this room, you may only be able to take one photo. It's really small. So we're gonna move on to the next one. Typically for any bedrooms, we're shooting 2 angles. That one's super small, so we're not gonna do that. But usually one good angle showing the full thing. And we usually do another one where you can see that has a, wait, does this one have a bathroom? This one just
a closet.
This one doesn't. But
Another good tip too is like, show on the screen. When you're lining it up on the room, take both the sidewalls out so it's just the room in focus. So if you have it turned like this, then half of your frame is just gonna be a wall, and you don't want that.
perfect. Let's turn it just a little bit.
Like there.
You got the whole room. You got 1, 2, 3 walls. Well, sides in it practically. So, boom. Good job. So we'll typically shoot 2 angles. So we're doing one from here, getting the full room, and then he's gonna do his best to shoot back this way, get an entire shot so we can see it has a closet, anything else in here.
Yeah, I feel like the smaller ones are almost harder for photos.
Oh.
Because they can't really fit.
So this room actually does have a bathroom on that side. So he's gonna shoot our typical angle from here, getting the full shot, and then he's gonna do one back the other way so that you see it has a bathroom over there.
Yeah, so you want like proximity, so like how close the bedroom is to the bathroom. So you want to get where the doorway is connecting the two in the photo.
So pretty simple. So here, and then when he looks back this way, you're gonna see that there is a bathroom in this room. All right, so quick tip, if you're ever shooting a bathroom like this, shooting photos, it's okay to have the camera in the mirror for photos, but not video. Because in photos, we are going to Photoshop ourselves out. Makes it super easy in photos because you can get a good angle here, have the entire bathroom, got the whole bathroom, camera might be in it, but we do put a timer on this, so I'll let you do it. So
Normally it'll beep like 3 times and then it goes off.
it gives you time to run. Get your exercise and steps in.
Get one. So like that's another good thing too. Is if you're doing bathrooms, sometimes when you get like your general angle, you won't have the shower in the frame. And if you don't get any of the showers, you should at least take one picture of like a shower straight on, just so you have one. So like this one would be a good example. Then you can just line it up and take just one of the shot by itself.
When we're shooting kind of living room, kitchen area, shoot more photos than you think. People are kind of particular about these areas. Bedrooms and bathrooms don't really matter as much, but when we're doing the entire living room, we're gonna go around and get a bunch of angles so you see the entire space, usually wide angles. So he just shot one from here, he's getting a straight on. We're probably gonna get one of just the dining, just the kitchen, just the living, and then some that show the entire space. So mainly, these are the spaces that we're gonna shoot a lot more photos than we do anywhere else. Typically for the front of a house, we're kind of getting a straight on for the front. So we're getting as straight on as we can, and then any other creative angles, but most of the time we don't want to see the road in it. So we're usually getting like a good front shot, maybe a side shot, and then over there are some bikes. Since it's a vacation rental, we'll grab that. For the porches, normally we're just trying to get a good wide shot, usually 2 angles, this side and that side looking back as wide as you can, getting the entire porch. If there's a view, you can kind of get that too. Here, there's not much. There's other houses. So we're shooting kind of straight on, getting as much as we can. And then we'll do a back shot too.
I should do one like this.
Yeah, you could do that one. It's cool.
Just to get the pathway.
You get kind of creative too. So once you get those 2 angles, if you see anything else that looks cool, he's getting one just kind of straight on here with the pathway that goes down to the pool. What are some of the most important shots when shooting drone photos?
Drone photos? Ooh. Well, you gotta get one of the front of the house, like in the picture. Like top down, always beach proximity, how close you are to the beach. And then in this case, how close you are, or how close the house is to the pool.
Proximity is the biggest thing that people want to see, where the house is to the pool and to the beach or any kind of water access.
Okay, listen up everyone. So, when you're gonna fly your drone, a couple of things. First thing, always turn the remote on first, because this thing takes literally like 10 minutes to boot up. It's not even funny. And then turn the drone on second. I don't even think this turned on. There we go.
You did it backwards.
Yeah, don't do that. And then sometimes you can, like, if you're in like a really busy area, like you wouldn't want to put your drone on the road because someone could just drive by and run it over. So you can like actually take it off from the roof of your car or your truck or whatever. In this case though, there's a tree right above us, so we don't want to do that.
No, we don't. Always check your surroundings first before you throw up the drone. There could be towers, anything. I usually put the drone up in the air, turn around a little bit, look, just make sure we're good.
Just to show how long, like it's still turning on. There we go. It's a long time.
We're trying to be efficient, get our shoots done quickly, so turning that remote on, giving you a few extra minutes, helps a lot.
Now, into the car.
Yeah. So normally we'll fly the drone from the car because there's always like weird security people and all that kind of stuff. Or if you just, you don't want weirdos staring at you. If you're in the car flying the drone, like no one knows who's flying the drone. They're not gonna see you. So usually the connection stays pretty good too when you're in the car. So.
Dude, look at their backyard.
Whoa. That's what you're
cool.
not supposed to do, be looking in random people's backyards. But I think it's fine.
I think it's fine.
Anyways, we're gonna knock this one out and head to our next shoot. Hopefully this video gave you a lot of tips and tricks. And if you have any questions, of course, you can text or call me. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. All right, one last tip I just thought of. We're shooting at a 4-story home. We're doing just photos. And if you want to be efficient, get through this quickly, always start at the very top. You can shoot each room or shoot the entire floor. Then you can turn all the lights off on that floor, move to the next floor. Then that floor is totally done, lights are off, you don't have to go back up there. Then you do the exact same thing on each floor. Then when you're at the very bottom and you're finished, you just have to turn off the bottom lights and you're done and you can leave.
That's genius.
Now that's baller knowledge.
You put your own twist on it. He said baller knowledge, dude.
What is it normally?
It's just ball knowledge.
Baller knowledge.
Baller knowledge is good though. You should use it.